Here are brief descriptions of the top 10 chatbot applications in everyday life. Subscribe to our YouTube channel to get more interesting videos. Number 1. Virtual Assistants. Chat-powered virtual assistants like Siri, Alexa, and Google Assistant can help with tasks like scheduling appointments, setting reminders, and answering questions. Number 2. Language translation. Chat-powered language translation tools can help people communicate across language barriers. Number 3. Customer service chatbots. Chat-powered chatbots can help customers with basic inquiries and support issues, freeing up human customer service representatives for more complex tasks. Number 4. Writing assistants. Chat-powered writing tools can help improve the grammar, style, and tone of written content. Number 5. Personalized recommendations. Chat-powered recommendation engines can suggest products, services, and content based on a user's preferences and behavior. Number 6. Medical diagnosis. Chat-powered systems can help with medical diagnosis by analyzing symptoms and recommending treatments. Number 7. Fraud detection. Chat-powered fraud detection systems can analyze large volumes of data to identify potential fraud or suspicious behavior. Number 8. Content moderation. Chat-powered content moderation tools can help identify and remove inappropriate content from social media platforms and other online communities. Number 9. Image and video recognition. Chat-powered systems can analyze images and videos to recognize objects, people, and other elements, which can have applications in security, marketing, and entertainment. Number 10. Personal finance. Chat-powered systems can help people with personal finance tasks like budgeting, investment analysis, and tax preparation.